Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to two off-campus drive for the freshers batch. If you are from 2019, 2020 and 21 and 22 batch, so you are eligible for these opportunities. The two opportunities from first is from Infosys and second is from Eightfold.ai. सो आज की इस वीडियो में हम पूरी कंप्लीट इन्फॉर्मेशन देखने वाले हैं। बीई, बीटेक, एमसीए, बीकॉम, एमटेक, बीएससी, बहुत सारे कोर्सेज एलिजिबल हैं। तो चलिए वीडियो की शुरुआत करते हैं। सो द फर्स्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी इज फ्रॉम इन्फोसिस फॉर द रोल ऑफ प्रोसेस एग्जीक्यूटिव। ओके, प्रीवियसली दिस रोल इज नॉट कम लाइक previously operation executive and other roles hiring are ongoing. Okay, so the process executive role hiring is just related to Infosys BPM, Business Process Management Limited, and location is Bengaluru. Work experience is if you have 0 years of work experience, so you can simply apply for this job opportunity. Process executive is the job title. Execute transaction as per the guidelines and timelines, resolves individual cases that need rework, share experiences. Okay, so the location of posting is subject to business requirement. And what they just mention in educational requirement, if you done the Master of Business Administration, Bachelor of Arts, Bachelor of Business, Bachelor of Computer, means the Bachelor of Computer Science Application, and Bachelor of Commerce, so you can apply for this opportunity. One important point, all these courses are eligible in that, means the BCA, Bachelor of Computer Application, are also eligible in that, and Bachelor of Commerce. Okay, so the BPO service line, but in this 2020 and 2021 batch and the graduates batch are eligible. Like if you are from 2019, 2020, 21, so you are eligible. This is not for the 2022 right now. Okay, so before moving on to the 2022 opportunity, there is a very good platform that known as Relevel, and this is the Relevel Achievers Twitter platform. As you can see on my screen, there are some of the candidates that they score good in the some of the top MNCs. Okay, so this type of is on the Relevel Achievers, and on the Relevel platform there are three type of tests: business, front end and back end development. Okay, you have to just get into this, and you have to get your dream job in 15 days. The package is also good, like 10 LPA, and there are top MNCs. Okay, interview are ongoing, tests are ongoing, just give that. Okay, link is in the description. The next opportunity is from Eightfold.ai, and it is an Indian based company. This role is for the fresh grads who are graduating in the year 2022. Okay, so apply as soon as possible. Okay, this is good MNC and member of technical staff 2022 batch fresh graduates. Okay, as you can see on that, their offices are also in the United States. Okay, so this is very good top MNC, and as you can see on the Eightfold was founded with a vision to solve employment in our society. AI powered, that they are work on the AI powered talent intelligence platform. Okay, so you have to develop robust, scalable and configure applications. You have to work with team, collab with product management, design. Tech stats, like they just mentioned that Python, Flask, TensorFlow, SQL, Apache Stack, MySQL, Docker and major AWS services. If you are a solid grounding in computer science fundamental, you can apply for this opportunity. Your data structures and algorithm are also good. You have to passionate about new problem solving skills. Okay, so this is the very good opportunity. This is only for the 2022 batch fresh graduates, and they not mention any course. Okay, means they not mention any particular courses. So if you are from BE, BTech, MCA, you can apply for this opportunity, and MTech. So you have to just click on apply now, and after that you have to just upload your resume, first name, last name, phone number, email and submit. Okay, so this is the very good MNC. Just apply for this opportunity. So I hope this video is useful for everyone. If you have any doubt, you can drop your query in the comment section. If you find good content, please like and share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching the video.